guys, welcome back. This time we're in a tutorial on how to draw 3D shapes. So you're going to take your paper and your pencil like normal, and we're going to start with a cube. So we're just going to make a square like normal. And there. Well, not there yet, but okay. Now we have our triangle. No, this is not a triangle. Our square. So what we're going to do is we're going to make another square, but we're going to draw this one more lightly and make it partly inside, like the corner of this square. It is going to be inside the other square that you drew in light, but you drew the other one lighter because we're going to erase some other things. So now draw a line connecting these two, but darker, just like this square. And then draw a line connecting these two, and then draw a line connecting these two. And then what we're going to do is we're going to erase this line, erase this line, erase this line, and make the two remaining lines on the other square darker. And boom, you have your square. It's not the best, this is a cube. It's not the best cube in the world. I could touch it up a little by erasing this, making it look more like a square. But other than that, it's a good cube. Let me just touch it up real quick. I didn't do much with this touch up, but hold on. You know what? Touching it up is not the best idea when you start art. I didn't start just now. I've been doing it for a little while, but yeah. Okay, so that's good. That's as much touching up as I'm gonna do. Now it's time to make the triangular prism. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna draw a triangle like normal, making this one a little smaller than the last one, because I didn't realize how much room we're going to need. Then we're going to draw a rectangle, but going at an angle up like that, and then another one at the peak of the triangle like that. And now we're going to look at this one, see the angle that's going down at. Just make this one go down that angle too. And we're going to erase the leftovers of that part and touch this up a little because I erased that part. And then it looks like a half whatever triangular prism, and I think I drew it the wrong way. Hold on, let's just do this again. Okay, so we're gonna draw a triangle like that. It's a little worse than the last one. Then we're gonna do something going out like this from the top first, and then from the bottom, like I said last time. And then it doesn't matter what side it's on, and we just go like that. And I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Oh, you couldn't see that, but there we go. It's pretty long and a little wonky looking, but that's it. So now let's go to our rectangular prism. So we're just gonna do a square like normal. And I know this does not look right, but it will look right eventually. So we have our square. Now we're gonna make a diagonal line going out farther than these lines, like pretty far out, and then another diagonal line going up pretty far out, and then we're gonna make a straight line down from the top one, so like that. Then we're gonna do another line going at the exact same angle like this, and draw a straight line from there to there. And there you have it, a rectangular prism. And that'll be it for this video. Thank you for watching, and yeah.